Hi students, today we discuss about the connective fluid connective tissue. So animals possess four types of tissues: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. We already completed epithelial tissue. Next, connective tissue divides into three types: connective tissue proper, skeletal tissue, and fluid connective tissue. So, connective tissue divides into connective tissue proper, skeletal tissue, and fluid connective tissue. We already completed connective tissue proper and skeletal tissue of the connective tissue. Today we discuss about the fluid connective tissue. The fluid connective tissue contains fluid matrix. So fluid connective tissue contains fluid matrix. But the skeletal tissue possesses solid matrix. But fluid connective tissue contains fluid matrix. Matrix does not contain collagen fibers, elastin fibers. So, fibers are absent in the matrix of fluid connective tissue. Matrix contains living cells. Living cells. The living cells of fluid matrix of fluid connective tissue does not produce matrix. Does not produce matrix. So, the fluid connective tissue contains fluid matrix. Fluid matrix. The fibers are absent in the fluid matrix. So, the fluid matrix of fluid connective tissue is fiber free. Fiber free. But the fluid matrix contains living cells. The living cell does not produce matrix. Does not produce matrix. Here, the fiber free liquid matrix is called plasma. So the fiber free liquid or fluid matrix of the fluid connective tissue is called plasma. Next, the fluid connective tissue divides into two types. blood and lymph. So the fluid connective tissue divides into two parts, such as blood and lymph. First we discuss about the blood. Blood is red color and slightly alkaline fluid. So blood is red colored and slightly alkaline. So the red colored blood contains hemoglobin. So due to presence of hemoglobin, the blood appears in red color. It is slightly alkaline. The study of blood is called hematology. Study of blood is called hematology. Here he means blood. So the study of blood is called hematology. Next, blood circulates or blood travel through the cardiovascular system. Blood passes or travel or circulate through blood cardiovascular system. So here the blood cardiovascular system consists of generally the cardiovascular system consists of heart, blood vessels and blood. So here the blood passes or circulate or travel through blood cardiovascular system. It is composed of plasma and blood cells. The blood divides into two parts. Plasma and blood cells. So blood in the animals divides into two parts, plasma and blood cells. Blood cells are RBC, WBC and platelets. So blood cells are three types: RBC, WBC and platelets. So these are the parts of blood. The total blood contains 55% of plasma. Total blood in the animal contains 55% of plasma and 45% of blood cells. So blood contains more plasma, then blood cells. The total volume of blood in an in an human beings is about 5 to 6 liters. So a healthy adult human being contains 5 to 6 liters, 5 to 6 liters of blood. A healthy adult human being contains 5 to 6 liters of blood. The percentage of total volume occupied by RBC is called hematocrit value. So, what is the hematocrit value? The total volume, the percentage of total volume of blood occupied by red blood cells or RBC is called hematocrit value. So the blood contains 55% of plasma and 45% of blood cells. Blood cells are three types: RBC red blood cells, WBC white blood cells, and platelets. First we discuss about the plasma of the blood. So plasma. Plasma is the fluid matrix of blood. Fluid matrix of blood. So this is fluid matrix of the blood. The fluid matrix of the blood is called plasma. Plasma contains blood cells. Blood cells like RBC, WBC, platelets. But fibers are absent. Fibers are absent. Collagen, elastin fibers are absent. Next, the plasma contains 92% of water and 8% of solutes. So plasma contains 92% of water and 8% of solutes. The solutes are proteins, nutrients, mineral salts, excretory waste, hormones, etc. So plasma contains 92% of water and 8% of solutes. The solutes are plasma, proteins, nutrients, minerals, excretory waste, hormones, etc. The plasma also contains gases like O2, CO2, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. So, plasma contains 8% of solute. Solutes are plasma proteins, nutrients, mineral salts, excretory waste, hormones, gases, enzymes, etc. The plasma proteins are plasma proteins are fibrinogen, prothrombin. Fibrinogen, prothrombin. Here the plasma contains fibrinogen, prothrombin proteins. The fibrinogen and prothrombin actually produced by liver. Actually, the fibrinogen and prothrombin are produced by liver. Now, the liver release its fibrinogen and prothrombin into blood plasma. So, here the fibrinogen and prothrombin helps in blood clotting. Helps in blood clotting. Next, the plasma also contains albumins, globulins. Here, albumins and globulins are also plasma proteins. So, plasma contains fibrinogen, prothrombin, albumins, globulins. These are plasma proteins. Here, albumins. Albumins are mainly responsible for colloidal osmotic pressure. So, albumins. Albumins are mainly responsible for osmotic colloidal pressure. So, albumins mainly responsible for osmotic colloidal pressure. Here, albumins. What is the function of albumins? Albumins hold the fluid in the blood. Hold the fluid in the blood. Due to absence of albumins or decrease the amount of albumins, the fluid or water from the blood passes into or between the cells of tissue in our body. So, the albumins prevent the loss of fluid from blood to outside. Due to absence of albumins or decrease the amount of albumins, the fluid or water from the blood passes between the cells of tissue. When the fluid is accumulate between the cells, it causes swelling. It causes swelling. Swelling in the tissues or organs is called edema. So, due to absence or decrease the amount of albumins causes edema. Edema means swelling. in the tissues or organs. Due to absence of albumins or decrease the number of amount of albumins, the fluid of the blood passes into or between the cells of tissue and causes swelling. The swelling is called edema. So albumins prevents edema problem. Next, so this is albumin. Next, globulins. Here, the globulins also produced in the liver and released into blood plasma. Globulins are three types: alpha globulins, beta globulins, and gamma globulins. Alpha, beta, and gamma globulins. Here, gamma globulins are antibodies. Gamma globulins are antibodies. Antibodies kills the microorganisms which are enter in our body. So these are the plasma proteins. Next, plasma proteins. Plasma proteins act as acid-base buffer. So it maintains the pH of blood at 7.4. So the plasma proteins act as acid-base buffer. So plasma proteins maintain the blood pH at 7.4. So blood pH is 7.4. These are the pH of blood is maintained by plasma proteins. Next, salts of blood plasma are the chlorides, bicarbonates, sulfates, phosphates of sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. So plasma contains mineral salts. Plasma contains different type of mineral salts, namely chloride, bicarbonates, sulfates, phosphates of sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. So these are the salts of plasma. So this is the plasma. Next I will explain the blood cells in the next class.